What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a wireless lavalier microphone. This microphone does automatic pairing, smart noise reduction, portable and lightweight. Of course it's portable and lightweight, it's wireless, and it's small. Well, at least it looks small. All right, clear sound quality. All companies are going to say that, right? We will test that out for ourselves. And it says it works for 6 to 8 hours. Right here it says suitable for devices with 3.5 millimeter, 6.35 millimeter mic input interface. It works with outdoor speakers, a PA system, audio mixer, portable speaker, power amplifier. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, here we go. We have the brand name, which is cool. Nice to have right there. Open it up, and wow, when you first open it, it actually looked like a professional case. Okay, it has the foam on it. You can take it right on out. Has a little cover for the 3.5 millimeter, and I will probably lose that eventually. All right, now does this flex? I don't want to break it. Okay, yeah, it bends. Just making sure. This has the little sticker on it. Let me see. My wife never liked taking this off, but I like taking it off. Make it feel like it's new. This is the charger right here, so you could charge up your receiver and you could charge up your transmitter. Oh, you get wind buffers. I didn't see this in the picture on Amazon, so right there you see it has two little clips. Well, it has the clips here, and it has the hollow spots right there. You have a microphone port right there, and here we go. We have a volume control. Got plus and minus. I think the other ones had it. I wasn't even paying attention to that, to be honest with you, because most of the stuff I do, I adjust the volume on whatever software I edit my videos on. Might be Final Cut or iMovie, whatever one is accessible. Alright, you guys, so you can use this as a wired microphone if you want to. It has the port right here, so if you want to use this as a wired microphone. Alright, you guys, so it looked like the power button is here, power button is here. Let me charge it up for a little bit. We'll take it for the outside test. Now, from what I see, this is not compatible with your iPhone and stuff like that. Maybe if you probably have a certain connector maybe, but this is mainly for your camera, or if you have like a stereo, or if you have like a interface where you could hook this up on. You have your 3.5 millimeter right here, and then you have your 6.35 right here. Now if you're not into music or anything like that, you probably never seen this done. Even with studio headsets, you have this type of hookup. So what you do is put it together and screw it on. All right, now you can hook this up to your outdoor speaker and speak. Now, let's go ahead and get into business, you guys. I want to go ahead and start testing out this mic with its different attributes. And y'all know me, I'm a wireless guy, so wireless will be the first test. And that went on very nice. It actually looks good, you guys. I like the design of these. It looked like some RoboCop type of product. But that's it, you guys. That's all we got in this pack. And yeah, let me let it charge and head to the field. All right, everyone. So been having an issue with my SD cards. I think I need to get a new SD card or a new camera. I have a warranty on the camera, but anyways, we are going to get into the lavalier mic, and we are going to do the distance test, sound quality test, volume test, everything that comes with this mic. We are going to test it out. Now, in the instructions, it says it should pair automatically, and when it pairs, it turns blue. So right now I'm going to pair it, turn it on. Sun is in my face, so my apologies. I'm holding down for 3 seconds. Right now this is red on the bottom with 3 dots. And now I just turned that one on. So on the top is blue, It's a blue dot here and a blue dot on the top over here, so it should be automatically paired. All right, so I am going to go ahead and plug y'all in. Let me play with the volume. Okay, so on here there's nothing that indicates where the volume level is, so we will test that out. I will put it all the way up and I will put it all the way down during the test. Let me go ahead and put it in. All right, so I have it in right now. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I'm gonna put the volume all the way up, you guys, for right now. And I am about to do some overseeding. Yesterday I did do the aeration. So yeah, let me go ahead and work on the distance test. I should have just went on and overseeded while I'm doing this test, but I'm just doing it real quick so I can listen to the playback. And hopefully y'all can hear me, because usually when I do these tests I can't really do nothing until I do the edits on my software. But yep, I have a lot of holes back here. I have a lot of work to do. And yeah, so this is about 65 foot, 70 foot over here. At least the last time I did the distance test, I had a measuring tape, and yeah, I think I was 75 foot. I need to use my measuring tape again just to double check to make sure I'm giving y'all the right amount of footage. You know what? With lavalier mic tests, I might start going to like football fields and stuff so I can really give y'all a really good test. All right, you guys, so I'm headed back. Now, let me go ahead and check the edits, but the first thing I want to do is check on the volume. So right now, the volume should be all the way up. I'm pressing the plus button. Now I'm going to turn the volume down as I talk. So I'm talking, turning the volume down. Back up. I'm turning the volume back up, turning it back up. And yeah, so the only thing I wish is that it had a volume indicator on here so you know like what's your level or what's your gain level, or however you want to call it. But other than that, let me go ahead and check and see if we have any sound. Okay, you guys, so we are going to test out the mic on our speaker right here. Now we are going to put our adapter on. Another thing I want to mention is I love the way that this can go in the angle, because if you needed to go like straight instead of like a right angle, maybe the right angle might not fit for you in certain situations. So it's good that it's straight. But let me go ahead and turn the power on. Power is on right here, and then I can aim it anywhere I want to aim it. I haven't done the mic on this in a little while. So I'm gonna turn on the mic. Mic is on. We want it on microphone. Mic check, yep. You guys, it actually works with the microphone. So if you have a speaker that, oh, it's too close. All right, I'm too close. Give me a second. This is amazing, and the mic quality is awesome. When I'm further away, it sounds really good. So yeah, everybody out there, I love this lavalier mic. I love this lavalier mic, you guys. This is the one. This is the one right here. Budget price, good sound quality. Another thing is you can change the volume on your mic. This is going down a level, going down another level, going down, all the way down. And now y'all can't hear nothing. All right. Now we're gonna go all the way up, all the way up, all the way up, all the way up, all the way up. And yeah, so that's another plus about this thing. But the only con that I have, there's only one con, is that you don't know what level you on. If this was on like my Canon, so if this was on the Canon right here, and I do my mic adjustments, I won't know unless I do like a little quick video. Excuse me. Unless I do a little quick video, and then I can play it back on my editing software, then I know what sound adjustment that I need to be at on my lavalier mic. But other than that, you really don't know what level you're on. So instead of having this like as a battery right there, they should have made this as like your volume levels. And that will be it. One last thing I need to plug in. I think they have an error on their box, because on this side it lets you know what device is suitable for. Let me turn it on the other side. Alright you guys, and on this side it says not compatible with Bluetooth speaker, computer, laptop, camcorder, camera, iPad, smartphone. We did do the test with the camera. It works with the camera, right? We did a test with our Bluetooth speaker. It worked with the Bluetooth speaker. When it's dealing with the computer, you can hook the mic up to your interface, which is connected to your computer, right? And as well as the laptop. And camcorder is basically the same thing as a camera. So I am not sure about the iPad and the phone, all right? I'm not sure if you can hook it up to the port and it will work. Not sure about that. So I'm not worried about these two. But the rest of the 5, I am not understanding why it says not compatible, because we did a test and the test proved that it works. So once again, I might just email them, let them know like, look, I think you might have an error on your box, because I tested on my camera and it worked. And yeah, I tested on my Bluetooth speaker, it worked. So this video is proof of that, and that will be it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.